Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Bharat EduTech. Today we are going to learn about how to increase the font size of text in VS Code Editor. So first of all, you have to click on the settings icon on the left bottom corner. So click on it. Here select settings and in this search panel search for font size. By default the font size will be 12 pixels. So let's change it and see what happens. So I'll hit 20. So you can see immediately the font size changes. So usually I keep it at 16, which is good for your eyes and better visual striking. So yeah, this is how you can change font size of text in VS Code Editor. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel.